someone who spent a lot of time avoiding Unity but working in middlewares, this was very helpful, learning kind of like how much Unity itself could be stretched to handle audio. That's definitely helped me in meetings with the dev team at my company.
For people that maybe have a different schedule, different timing, work, like this thing of giving 2 weeks to actually do the project, but like always being open to meet people, to help people, have Discord or like send an email. For me, was amazing.
I have worked with Wise and NetMod, but never only in Unity audio engine. So I think that's the most value, to also know how to create all this specialization only with this kind of software, you know?
I've been teaching Unity for a while. It's something that I've been interested in for a long time. The mixer was something that I kind of shunned for a while, but I'd never come across like using multiple scenes at the same time. I didn't quite realize how powerful it was, so it was pretty cool.